Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn top 75 most polite, useful, and common English conversations about going to a cafe. Whether you're traveling, studying abroad, meeting friends, or simply ordering coffee at your favorite cafe, these everyday English expressions will help you communicate naturally and confidently. Let's get started. 1. Excuse me, where is the cafe? 2. Is there a cafe nearby? 3. I'd like to go to a cafe. 4. Could you recommend a good cafe? 5. Is this cafe open now? 6. What time does the cafe open? 7. What time does the cafe close? 8. Is there a seat available? 9. May I sit here? 10. Is this seat taken? 11. Could I have the menu, please? 12. What's your specialty? 13. What do you recommend? 14. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. 15. I'd like an iced coffee. 16. I'd like a hot coffee. 17. I'd like a latte. 18. I'd like a cappuccino. 19. I'd like an espresso. 20. I'd like a mocha. 21. I'd like a cup of tea instead. 22. Could I have a glass of water? 23. Could I have some ice, please? 24. I'd like it without sugar. 25. I'd like less sugar. 26. I'd like extra milk. 27. Could you make it decaf? 28. Could you make it less hot? 29. I'd like something sweet. 30. I'd like a piece of cake. 31. Could I have a sandwich? 32. I'd like to order now. 33. Could you give me a moment, please? 34. I'm still deciding. 35. That's all, thank you. 36. Could I change my order? 37. I'd like to cancel this order. 38. Could you bring me a spoon? 39. Could you bring me a fork? 40. Could you bring me some napkins? 41. Excuse me, my order hasn't arrived yet. 42. I think this isn't what I ordered. 43. Could you check my order, please? 44. Everything tastes great. 45. The coffee is delicious. 46. Thank you for your service. 47. Could I have the bill, please? 48. Can I pay by card? 49. Do you accept cash? 50. Can I pay with my phone? 51. Could I have a receipt, please? 52. Keep the change. 53. Thank you very much. 54. Have a nice day. 55. See you next time. 56. I'd like my coffee to go. 57. Can I get this to go? 58. Do you have free Wi-Fi? 59. What's the Wi-Fi password? 60. Is there a restroom here? 61. Could you refill my water? 62. Is breakfast served here? 63. Do you serve lunch? 64. Are there any vegetarian options? 65. Do you have dairy-free milk? 66. Is this coffee freshly brewed? 67. How much is this drink? 68. Is service charge included? 69. Could you pat the cake for me? 70. May I reserve a table? 71. I'd like a table for two. 72. Is outdoor seating available? 73. Could I sit by the window? 74. This cafe has a lovely atmosphere. 75. I'll definitely come back again. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope these 75 practical English cafe conversations help you improve your listening, speaking, pronunciation, and everyday communication skills, making you feel more confident in real-life situations. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends so more people can learn English together. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.